All right, it's Thursday, July 25th. Just following up on Tesla. I decided to take small gains on this trade and continue to watch it. I bought it here at this middle blue line, as described on the first video. It was kind of on the 5-minute chart when it was kind of coming down, making two down, two up here, expecting to take out the highs of the day. I scaled out at the highs of the day. I had orders to scale out higher. I'm watching it closely here, and now we're pausing and coming back into that first bar range. So even though my break-even stop was down, I bought it here. I scaled out here, my break-even stop moved to here. I decided to exit up a little before that on the next half of the trade here. So again, bought the stock at 221.82. I scaled out at 223.44, which was the target. Had orders scale out some more higher, and then I just exited the rest of the trade at 222.88. So overall, little small gain here. What I was doing, and it still might work out, was trying to play the potential breakout to the upside. We're not really starting above the midpoint of the prior day, but we started up strong above the pre-market highs. I wanted to see if this first move of the day can get above the yesterday's high and get a 2-up day and maybe move into the gap. As of now, we're just inside of this red bar, so who knows, maybe we came down here red and we're just pausing, and this could be continuation much lower on this stock, since we didn't want to really follow through strongly on this first bar high. Essentially all we did was we opened up a little bit, paused inside of there, try to make one push above it, and right now we're not really getting above it. So it is possible we get to kind of hold this midpoint of this green bar, get a red to green move, and then eventually start up, but it's tough to say right now what's really unfolding. I wanted, after this kind of move right here early, I really wanted to see that explosively continue higher, and it's not doing that at the moment. So just a small gain, and that's kind of the context of it. Sometimes on a trade like this I'd hold a little longer and just see what develops if the structure of the day's up, but on this trade I kind of know I was trying to play a reversal given the opening price action, and I'm very nimble on those kind of trades. So every trade has its own context, and for me, whether I miss it or not to the upside, that's fine. Just a small gain, and we'll continue to look elsewhere. And frankly, I'll continue to watch Tesla for better signals in terms of context. It's hard to really judge. You had the red bar from yesterday. You almost expect that low to be tested. We did start up. I thought I wanted to see if it could be a 2-down failure kind of thing coming into today, but as of the moment, it's hard to tell. So, as long as this weekly chart stays red, we're sort of in down mode. We're kind of filling in this gap in here, so at any moment, the weekly chart can turn up. But frankly, in the big picture, until this weekly chart turns up, I'm not really biased to the upside quite yet, although anything's possible, and today had maybe a chance to have a strong move up, but at the moment, not doing that. So anyway, that's Tesla's trade for today, small gain.